Hey everyone, welcome to the How to PC channel, and today I'd like to do a review on a very cool service for investors. So the name of this service Yieldstreet, and this is an American financial service company based in New York City. The company focuses on expanding access to private market investment products. Yieldstreet provides investments in art, real estate, legal, and various other industries. So let's take a closer look at this service. Go to their official website, and this is how it looks like. Here you can find all information about this service. Build a more complete portfolio with private markets. And first of all, let's go to the How It Works tab. Just click here. There are only 3 steps. Explore investment opportunities. You can read more about it. Invest with confidence, and track your performance and earnings. And this is how their mobile app looks like. And yeah, they have mobile application. You can easily install it on Google Play or App Store. Yeah, just scroll down and click on this button to install it on Android device, or if you have an iOS device, just click on this button and install it. And to be honest, there is a lot of useful information here. For example, 3 ways to invest. Select your own investments. You can read about this way more, just click here. The second one is partner with a professional. And the last one is invest with tax advantages. So as you have understood, this is a service that will help you to earn on investments. And if you want to try to use this service, you can just create a new account on this service. To do it, just click on sign up today, or on the sign up button at the top right. Yieldstreet, personalize your experience. Let's get started. Just click here. Have you invested in private market alternatives before? Yes, I have, or no, I haven't. So you just need to answer on these 5 questions. Okay, and finally, I can create an account. To do it, just fill these 4 fields, or just click on sign up with Google or with Apple. Let's try to sign up with Google. Okay, and you also need to enter your phone number and answer a few questions about it. And now I'm in my account. At the top right, you can see my name. How do you plan to invest on Yieldstreet? And here you need to answer the questions so that the service can help you pick the securities that will suit your strategy. For example, let's select individual account. Oh, and I need to verify my email account. Let's do it. Okay, I've just verified my email account. So you have not created an investor account. Please complete your account setup to invest on Yieldstreet. You can get started if you want, but first of all, let's go through the tabs that are available here. For example, investments, portfolio. The next one is activity, accounts, and education, and help center if you have any questions. Or you can just click on the chat button at the bottom right and answer your question right here. And in the accounts tab right here, you need to fill a lot of information about yourself to create a new account. This is how it will be looks like. This is my account. If you want to create a new one, just click on the plus button. So this is a short video about Yieldstreet. This is a very cool service for investors, and I advise you to try to use it, and maybe it will be helpful for you. So guys, if this video was helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.